Special Agent Mulder here, and we're back trackside after a couple of weeks break for personal reasons, and we're down at Tyabb here, about 60 kilometres southeast of Melbourne, Victoria, Australia, waiting on the Doodlebug, and then we should be grabbing a steel train with a couple of EMD aces on the front. Doodlebug ahoy. Pulling up at the Tyabb station. Not a bad spot here because he pulls up there at the station. About 400 metres down the track there. And you can see how quick he gets up to pace as he comes through here. So we've got a double carriage, have we? Alright. Pause him and wait till he gets going again. Okay, and he's away. Powering up. Switch her out to widescreen mode. Around through the cutting, and our next stop for Eames Hastings. Alright, rock up the track a little bit, and we'll see where we can catch this steel train from. Wide load, big, not a big, some sort of dump truck going on there. Here we are, Bungower Rd. Oh, booking Bungower Rd, Jack. Well, what have we here? An actual working machinery by the side of Stony Point here. Australian mow equipment. See, it's got all the different attachments there. And of course, there's his high rail work where he goes on the track. Really cool, didn't expect to see this down here. Certainly been into the action. rmsrail.com. I'm not sure who they are, but they're obviously taking care of the tracks. That's pretty cool. Certainly wasn't expecting to see that when I rolled down here this morning. The ballast moving around here, so it's looking like they've been down there doing some stuff. I don't know what that's supposed to be. It looks like something that's been made at Smoko. Yep. Okay. There's the arse end of him there. You can see both trucks going in, both wheels that go on the tracks there. A National Heavy Vehicle license plate on it. RMS 280. I'll have to go and have a look at that on the internet, and I'll leave a link anyway to their site in the description. So Steel Horse will be cracking the whip from that direction, and flicking jack into booking jack down that way. That's where they've been doing some track work down there, so hopefully he's not slowed down or anything. But yeah, he should be booking Jack anyway. I'll have filmed down there, like, you know, probably about a click and a half, maybe 2 clicks down that track there. So I wonder if what work they've done, so I'll have to have a bit of a wander down there and a bit of a Captain Cook, or a look as we say in Australia, or a butcher's hook, a look, and see what they've been up to down there. There's a bunny going across the track down there too, Bun. Give a shout out to my daughter, Junior Agent Mulder. She lost her mother last week, and after a short battle with illness, and yeah, just want to wish her all the best, and shout out to my channel and everything like that. So yeah, cool. And yeah, so good on you, Junior Agent, and Vale Sharon. New t-shirt, pew pew. A new hat. Spring has sprung in Victoria, Australia. And after the next pause, we want to look at these flowers here. Wild cherry. Agent Mulder is going to do the nut butch sizzling with off camera. New series in production at Special Agent Fox Mulder, entitled Science is Easy. Just going to be a little chat about certain scientific topics that I'm able to discuss and get across in a manner that most people can understand. It's one of my skills. I'm a philosopher in chaos theory and also evolutionary behaviour and science. So they're certainly not going to be involved. There won't be diagrams and all that sort of stuff. You don't have to know maths. All you have to need to do is have a pair of ears and at least half a brain, and you'll be able to understand. The first one's going to be about the impossibility of time travel, so that's going to disappoint a lot of people straight off the bat, but there is a simple explanation for these things, and yeah, well, that's in production as we speak, so I'm trying to find out where I'm actually going to film it from, because I'm running out of spots in the house. So yeah, so check that out if you're interested in that. The first one will be called The Time Travel Paradox. Coming soon to a Special Agent Fox Mulder channel near you. Big rig ahoy. Got our looking rig. So, out of the way cars. We've got a C with a 60 underneath it. My brain construes that to be construction and a 60 km/h speed restriction. 60 km/h is still roughly about 40 miles an hour. So we're shot out of luck with the steel train. Doesn't come through. We're going to hang around here and wait for a Doodlebug come from that direction there. But god damn their eyes. I don't know what I haven't sent at the creatures. Monday's steel horse is usually a pretty big juggernaut too. So yeah, I'll check out the see if they've got one out there on the runway there this afternoon. But yeah, we'll sit around and we'll catch a Doodlebug. Coming from that direction there. All right, Doodlebug ahoy! Through the construction area. Well, flick it out to widescreen mode right about now. No equipment. immortal words of Mike from Wide World of Trains, who was booking Jack. Okay, well, that's going to wrap up the morning side of Trackside with Special Agent Fox Mulder, a Special Agent Fox Mulder production. The staff just goes around the corner there. Alright, okay, first one for a little while. Hope you enjoyed that. Go ahead and give me a like and subscribe, and go away all you bloody trucks. I'll catch you in the next one then. Special Agent Fox Mulder out.